Check out this 2018 Ram 2500 Mega Cab Bighorn Edition. It does have 4 doors and 6 1/3 foot bed. Comes with blacked out wheels, blacked out windows against that white, really making it pop. Being a Bighorn Edition, it does come well equipped with some of your favorite options, as well as a tow package for easy hookup to your regular trailers. As well as in the bed, it does have a 5th wheel option, so you can hook up all of your work equipment or your 5th wheel trailer for a good weekend out with your family. It does have 81,000 miles on it, a 6.4 liter HEMI in it. Looking at the inside, we do have leather interior as well as hands-free controls, navigation, and some of the other features such as Bluetooth hookup, heated seats, dual climate control. Looking around the inside, we do have a power sliding window, making it easy to go ahead and just open it up while you're in there because it is a mega cab with all that extra space. You wouldn't be able to reach back there. In the back seat, the seats do recline, making it easy on a road trip for your kids to just take a nap in the back seat.